Morning, dear student. I hope everyone fine and doing your work sincerely. Today we will discuss chapter 19, three-dimensional shapes. So first of all, we are going to explain some definition. Idea of space. When we look at something empty like a box, room or bowl, it has space. We can keep things in that space. A park has space for us to play. Solids. An object that has a fixed shape and size is called a solids. Here some example of solids: cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, cone, triangular prism, square prism, tetrahedron, cuboid. Solids such as wooden box, matchbox, bricks, a book, and almirah are the shapes of cuboid. See, that is the given. These are the example of cuboid. Now, in cuboid, how many faces are there? There are, in cuboid, length, breadth and height. Various part of cuboid are given here. So first of all, we are going face. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces and opposite face of cuboid are identical. Edges. Two adjacent face of a cuboid meet a line segment called an edge of cuboid. A cuboid has 12 edges and vertices. A cuboid has 8 vertices. Now, cube. A cube whose length, breadth and height are equal is called a cube. For example, ice cubes, sugar cubes, dice. They are the example of cube. Cylinder. Object such as a circular pipe, circular pillar, test tubes, circular storage tank, measuring jar, a gas cylinder, a circular powder tin, etc. are the shapes of cylinders. See, these are the example. In a cylinder has a curved lateral surface and 2 circular face at its end. A cylinder has no corners, no vertex. A cylinder has 2 plane faces, namely top and the base, and 1 curved face. It has 2 circular edges. The distance between its end faces is called its length. Sphere. An object which is in the shape of a ball is said to have a shape of sphere. A sphere has curved surface. A sphere has no vertex, no edges. Now, cone. Object such as an ice cream cone, conical tent, conical vessels, clown's cap, etc. These are the example of cone. In a cone has plain circular end at the base and curved surface trapping into a point called its vertex. A cone has no plane faces. It has 1 circular edge and 1 vertex. Triangular prism. In a triangular prism, a solid whose lateral faces are rectangular and the bases are congruent triangle is called a triangular prism. A triangular prism has 6 vertices, 3 rectangular lateral faces, 2 triangular base and 9 edges. In a pyramid is a solid whose base is a plane rectilinear figure and whose side faces are triangular, having a common vertex called the vertex of the pyramid. Now, square pyramid, a solid whose base is a square and whose side faces are triangle having a common vertex is called a square pyramid. Now, triangular pyramid, a solid whose base is a triangular and whose side face are triangle having a common vertex is called a triangular pyramid. So these are the definitions of three-dimensional shapes which is given in your textbook. You have to write that all the definition in your notebook. That's all for today.